the most amazing thing about the filter that always stands out is how long they last. I mean, you've got wet weather use and you've got dry, hot weather use.
That's correct. Like any filter, humidity will play a part in the length of the filter life. So will anything actually, including load, pollution. If you're in a dirty city with high pollution, you would expect a filter in a clean city and a dry city to last 50% longer than you would a filter in a dirty city and a wet city. It would last probably 50% shorter. So what we try and do is we average out our filter to last around about 2 years. You will expect more like a 3-year lifespan in a very, very hot, dry climate, maybe as short as 18 months in a very, very wet, very polluted climate. But on average, you're going to get around the 2.5 year lifespan out of a Phresh filter.
Looking for the best hydroponic system kits for all budgets? Say hello to iPower. Ventilation systems combo. Various sizes hydroponic grow tent. Multiple types inline fan. Grow light systems kit. iPower. More value, more growing.